Hello friends. So this is Tejal Solanki from House of Shudeshi Candles. And of course, thank you to show your love for our handcrafted candles and the clients who do give us the repeat orders. So we are really grateful to all of you. Now obviously the Holi is nearby, so many are looking for the gift options, and yes, we have added the new members to the House of Shudeshi. So with the candles, obviously either the candle, only candle, or a bouquet, or whatever you wish to gift. But with that, we are having more of the products. Like you can see this is a beautiful oil diffuser, and it will come with a tea light candle, and you can put the wax melt on this and it will give the beautiful fragrance. So it comes with this cute packet of the few of the wax melts in this, and it does not have to, it will give the fragrance till it gets totally evaporated. Yeah. So with that, we do have another option, that is our reed diffuser. This is also a beautiful product where we do have the rattan reeds, and it will come with a fragrance oil. It will be approximately 40 ml, and this oil we can customize of your choice fragrances. And so the jar like this or like this reed diffuser, it comes with the cap and pump, and it comes with the beautiful reed, and one fancy reed and the simple reeds. And with like either you can just combine you can see the beautiful gift hamper like this also. So what we have in this, let me show you. It has a jar, it has a beautiful coconut shell candle in it, and yes, you, as I've said, see, so the jar, a fancy reed, and the oil bottle, and this is a beautiful candle and the reeds. So this hamper again, I love it. Okay. Then we do have obviously the this hamper you had seen earlier on in my videos. So it has the wax sachet, then the wax melt, it has a floating candle, and it has a hanging card diffuser in it. So that is another choice. Then we do have either you can give a combo of in a simple cute bags like this. We do have the fine perfume as well, like in a 30 ml, 50 ml, 10 ml, and 100 ml also. So we do have a dupe of the common perfumes, or if you want to create us particular fragrances, then we can create the beautiful notes for you. So this can be like, you can choose for the hamper. Obviously we do have this cold press soap also. You can combine with candle or the diffuser, whichever, or single bar also you can take. And we are going to create different varieties in this, with the fresh fruit purees or the herbal cold process soap, and of course we will have the melt and pour soap also. Then this is also a beautiful ceramic diffuser, you can keep in a car or on your desk. And what we have to do, we have to just you have to put few drops of the oil on this, and it gives the fragrance in the nearby area. So yes, it gets evaporate also at few days, and definitely you just have to drop again few drops of the oil, and it will continue to give the fragrance. So this is a ceramic diffuser. Then of course we are coming with some face wash, or the bath salts, or the bath bomb, or the body scrubs, so sugar scrubs. So these are in our pipeline, and the products will be launched soon. And some maybe the preservative free lotions. Then we do have the aromatherapy candles, where you can just melt the candle, and once it is melted, it has, like, you can apply on your skin, and it has a nourishing body butters that I will make another video of it, and it's amazing to use. So yeah, for now, goodbye, and yes, just do DM us, to book your order for the upcoming seasons. Thank you.